SDpanel is a well-known building envelope brand in China. Our products are widely used in all regions of the world. SDpanel has nearly 100 sets of forward processing equipment, and it is a large-scale enterprise integrating R&D, processing and service. In 2019, SDpanel imported an advanced polyurethane production line from Germany, with a total length of 10 meters, which undergoes uncoiling, press molding, mixing and foaming, curing and shearing, cooling, automatic palletizing, packaging, forming a high-quality enclosure panel with fireproof, thermal insulation, heat insulation, and strong seismic resistance. The flatness area of the board can be controlled at 0.1 mm, more than 30 kinds of polyurethane, Rockwool composite board type, hundreds of board colors can be chosen. It can be used as roofing, wall panels, cold storage panels and clean panels. The annual production capacity of SDpanel reaches 1.2 million square meters. SDpanel is widely used in the roofing and walling of large-scale factories, sports stadiums, commercial centers, medical institutions, cold storage and other projects. SDpanel's products are widely recognized by the majority of customers.